Chapter 5 Subtraction Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to subtract up to 4-digit numbers with and without borrowing. Estimate the difference. Warm up. Dodo and Dugu are giraffes. They were going to visit their grandmother's village by train. The train was managed by a panda. There are 100 animals here. 31 will get off at the next station. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers is same as 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrow. Solved examples. Example 1. Subtract 8,562 from 9,784. Solution. Step 1. Write the numbers in correct column. Step 2. First, subtract 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Step 3. Subtract tens. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Step 4. Subtract hundreds. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Teacher's note. Explain to the students that when we subtract two numbers, the difference is always less than the bigger number. But it is not true if one of the two numbers is 0. Step 5. Subtract thousands. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So, 9,784 minus 8,562 is 1,222. Example 2. Find the difference between 5,402 and 7,564. Solution. Clearly, 7,564 is greater than 5,402. So, 7,564 minus 5,402. Step 1. Write the numbers in correct column. Step 2. First, subtract ones. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Step 3. Subtract tens. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Step 4. Subtract hundreds. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Step 5. Subtract thousands. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So, 7,564 minus 5,402 is equals to 2,162. Exercise 5.1. 1. Subtract the following. A. 7,321 minus 5,210 is equals to 12,531. B. 9,765 minus 4,322 is equals to 5,443. C. 7,776 minus 6,665 is equals to 1,111. D. 8,940 minus 8,230 is equals to 710. 2. Arrange the numbers in column and then find the difference between A. 8,465 and 7,321. Answer 1,144. B. 4,762 and 3,540. Answer 1,222. C. 5,462 and 4,251. Answer 1,211. D. 3,465 and 2,154. Answer 1,311. E. 9,839 and 7,602. Answer 2,237. Subtraction of 4-digit number with borrowing. Solved examples. Example 1. Subtract 1,485 from 6,374. Solution. Step 1. Write the numbers in correct column. Step 2. First, subtract ones. 4 is smaller than 5. Take borrow from tens column. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Step 3. Subtract tens. 6 is less than 8. Take borrow from hundreds column. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Step 4. Subtract hundreds. 2 is less than 4. Take borrow from thousands column. 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. 5 is less than 1. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So 6374 minus 1485 is equals to 4889. Example 2. Subtract 4562 from 8000. Solution. Step 1. Write in correct column. Step 2. No ones, no tens, no hundreds. Let us borrow from thousands. So 8000 minus 4562 is equals to 3438. Exercise 5.2. Question 1. Find the difference. A. 8361 minus 6582 is equals to 1779. 9840 minus 7972 is equals to 1868. C. 7345 minus 6489 is equals to 856. 6000 minus 4321 is equals to 1679. Question 2. Find the difference between A. 4695 and 7390. Answer 2695. B. 6000 and 5321. Answer 679. C. 8345 and 7987. Answer 358. D. 3492 and 4007. 515. Estimation of difference. Solved examples. Example 1. Estimate the difference of 67 and 42 to the nearest 10. Solution. 67 is round up to 70. 42 is round down to 40. Estimate difference is equal to 30. Example 2. Estimate the difference of 909 and 768 to the nearest 100. Solution. 909 is rounded down to 900. 768 is rounded up to 800. Estimate difference is equal to 100. Example 3. Estimate the difference of 5420 and 8867 to the nearest 1000. Solution. 8867 is rounded up to 9000. 5420 is rounded down to 5000. Estimate difference is equals to 4000. Exercise 5.3. Question 1. Estimate the difference between the following number to the nearest 10. A. 59 and 42. Answer 20. B. 63 and 89. Answer 30. C. 22 and 36. Answer 10. D. 69 and 58. Answer 10. Question 2. Estimate the difference between the following numbers to the nearest 100. A. 542 and 125. Answer 400. B. 229 and 562. Answer 400. C. 721 and 890. Answer 200. D. 333 and 777. Answer 500. Question 3. Estimate the difference between the following numbers to the nearest 1000. A. 1024 and 7850. Answer 7000. B. 2159 and 8642. Answer 7000. C. 3333 and 8888. Answer 6000. D. 7820 and 4440. Answer 4000. Subtraction facts. Properties of subtraction. 1. Subtracting bigger number from smaller number. A bigger number cannot be subtracted from a smaller number. For example, 1256 minus 3829 is not possible. 2. Cannot change order of numbers in subtraction. We cannot change the order of numbers in the subtraction. For example, 8324 minus 3650 is not equals to 3650 minus 8324. 3. Subtraction itself. When the number is subtracted from itself, then the answer is always 0. For example, 4321 minus 4321 is equals to 0. 4. Subtracting 0. When the 0 is subtracted from a number, then the answer is number itself. For example, 2769 minus 0 is equals to 2769. 5. Subtracting 1. Subtracting 1 from a number decreases the value of one's place digit by 1. It means it gives its predecessor. For example, 1276 minus 1 is equals to 1275. 6. Subtracting 10. Subtracting 10 from a number decreases the value of 10's place digit by 1. For example, 8126 minus 10 is equals to 8116. 7. Subtracting 100. Subtracting 100 from a number decreases the value of 100's place digit by 1. For example, 7321 minus 100 is equals to 7221. 8. Subtracting 1000. Subtracting 1000 from a number decreases the value of 1000's place digit by 1. For example, 8629 minus 1000 is equals to 7629. Exercise 5.4. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. 126 minus 0 is equals to 126. B. 732 minus 732 is equals to 0. C. 2465 minus 1 is equals to 2464. D. 7321 minus 10 is equals to 7311. Think wisely. Who am I? If 450 subtracted from me, the answer is 550. Answer 1000. If 3000 is subtracted from me, the answer is 7000. Answer 7000. If 100 is subtracted from me, the answer is 100. Answer 200. Word problem. Solved examples. Example 1. There are 2885 passengers in a train. 345 passengers get down from the train. How many passengers are left in the train now? Solution. Total number of passengers in a train is equals to 2885. Number of passengers get down from the train. 345. 2885 minus 345 is equals to 2540. Number of passengers left in the train. 2885 minus 345 is equals to 2540. Hence the number of passengers left in the train are 2540. Example 2. Mr. Mayank had rupees 9865. He bought a mobile phone costing rupees 8820. How much money is left with him? Solution. Total money Mr. Mayank had is equals to rupees 9865. Money spent on mobile phone is equals to rupees 8820. Money left with Mr. Mayank is equals to rupees 9865 minus 8820 is equals to rupees 1045. Hence, Mr. Mayank is left with rupees 1045. Example 3. How much 2065 is greater than 1029? Solution. Greater number 2065. Smaller number 1029. Difference 2065 minus 1029 is equals to 1036. Hence, 2065 is greater than 1029 by 1036. Example 4. What number must be added to 7321 to get 9000? Solution. Sum of two numbers 9000. One number 7321. Other number 9000 minus 7321 equals to 1679. Hence, 1679 must be added to 7321 to get 9000. Exercise 5.5. Question 1. Sarthak earns rupees 7500 in a month. If he saves rupees 2000 per month, how much money did he spend in every month? Answer. Rupees 5500. Question 2. How much 6042 is greater than 3541? Answer. 2501. Question 3. A kite maker made 1800 kites. He sold 1259 kites out of them. How many kites are left with him? Answer. 541. Question 4. Vikram purchased a dinner set and juicer mixer for rupees 9865. If the cost of dinner set is rupees 5,990, then what is the cost of the juicer mixer? Answer 3,875. Question 5. Sum of two numbers is 9,052. If one of the number is 5,060, find the other number. Answer 3,992. Mixed operations, addition and subtraction. Quick tip: if addition and subtraction are given together, then we always first do addition and then subtraction. Solved examples. Example 1. 2,150 plus 6,321 minus 5,321. Solution. Step 1. 2,150 minus 6,321 is equals to 8,471. Step 2. 8,471 minus 5,321 is equals to 3,150. Thus, 2,150 plus 6,321 minus 5,321 is equals to 3,150. Example 2. 5,432 minus 1,265 plus 2,351 minus 3,264. Solution. If a number has no sign, then it means the number has plus sign. Step 1. Adding number with plus sign. 5,432 plus 2,351 is equals to 7,783. Step 2. Adding numbers with minus sign. Minus 1,265 minus 3,264 is equals to minus 4,529. Step 3. Subtract the second sum. Step 2 from the first sum. Step 1. 7,783 minus 4,529 is equals to 3,254. Thus, 5,432 minus 1,265 plus 2,351 minus 3,264 is equals to 3,254. Exercise 5.6. Question 1. Solve the following. A. 2,659 plus 5,432 minus 2,695. Answer 5,396. B. 3,721 minus 2,869 plus 2,659. Answer 3,511. C. 8,362 minus 5,290 plus 269. Answer 3,341. D. 5,322 minus 2,812 plus 2,100 minus 1,502. Answer 3,108. E. 7,321 plus 1,029 minus 2,001 minus 4,095. Answer 2,254. Question 2. Add 5,000 to the difference of 3,264 and 2,795. Answer 5,469. Question 3. Subtract 2,010 from the sum of 8,000 and 1,029. Answer 7,019. Question 4. Subtract the difference of 3,456 and 2,400 from 7,890. Answer 6,834. Question 5. Subtract the difference of 8,000 and 5,000 from the difference of 9,000 and 2,000. Answer 4,000. Word problems on mixed operations. Solved examples. Example 1. Rajat had rupees 2,500. He bought jeans for rupees 1,200 and a shirt of rupees 900. How much money is left with Rajat? Solution. Money with Rajat 2,500. Cost of jeans 1,200. Cost of shirt 900. Total money he spent 1,200 plus 900 is equals to 2,100. Money left with him 2,500 minus 2,100 is equals to 400. Thus, rupees 400 is left with him. Example 2. The population of a town is 7,329. If there are 3,930 men and 2,000 children, then how many women are there in the village? Solution. Total population of a town 7,329. Number of men in a town 3,930. Number of children in a town 2,000. Total number of men and children in a town 3,930 plus 2,000 is equals to 5,930. Number of women in a town 7,329 minus 5,930 is equals to 1,399. Thus the number of a woman in a town are 1,399. Exercise 5.7. Question 1. The sum of three numbers is 5,020. If two of them are 2,000 and 1,020, then find the third number. Answer 2,000. Question 2. A wire is 5,000 meter long. Two pieces measuring 1,045 meter and 2,132 meter were cut from it. Find the length of the remaining wire. Answer 1,823. Question 3. Mr. Raj had to travel 8,265 km. He travelled 2,359 km by bus, 3,125 km by train and rest by aeroplane. What distance did he travel by aeroplane? Answer 4,658. Question 4. Mrs. Sharma earned rupees 7,000 per month and Mr. Sharma earned rupees 8,000 per month. They together spend rupees 6,000 per month. How much money do they save together? Answer 9,000. Question 5. Raju had rupees 8,620. He purchased a TV for 5,500 and a dinner set for rupees 3,000. How much money is left with him? Answer 120. Facts to know. Robert recorded the designer of the equal sign introduced plus and minus to Britain in 1557. Mental maths. Solve 1. 204 minus 126 plus 373 equals to 451. 2. 740 minus 214 plus 145 equals to 671. 3. 999 minus 750 plus 800 equals to 1049. 4. 444 minus 222 plus 111 is equals to 333. 5. 125 plus 234 minus 120 is equals to 239. Subtract the following. 8,973 minus 4,321 is equals to 4,652. 4,616 minus 2,999 is equals to 1,612. 6,555 minus 2,329 is equals to 4,226. 9,999 minus 8,135 is equals to 1,864. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Chits with 3 to 4 digit numbers written on them. One chit for one number, plastic bowls and a scoreboard. Steps. 1. This activity will be done in teams A. Total of 10 teams will be made in the class. 2. Each team will be given a bowl full of number chits. 3. Each number will draw 2 chits from the bowl. For example, chits with number 8,976 and 567. 4. Now the student will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. 5. Each number will chits a minimum of 5 times and work out the sums. 6. After each draw, the bowl should be shaken well before the next draw. 7. After all the sums have been worked out, the scoring will be done for each team according to a pattern that the teacher decides. 8. The score for each sum will depend upon the difference between the two numbers drawn. For example, the difference between 0 and 100 1 mark, the difference between 101 and 200 2 marks, etc. or the other way round. 9. The total for each team will decide the winner.